no doubt that the magic, the magnificence, and the details of drone shots such as these brings you to an entirely different level of experience, seeing Earth from above. Ever since I first put my hand on a drone 15 years ago, which was more toy than a tool, I saw the potential of having a camera in the sky, that different perspective that would give me. Ever since then, I have been infatuated with drones. Helicopters, quads, you name it, I've had them all. And then it became a big part of my career. I've spent thousands of hours flying, training search and rescue teams, police departments, fire departments, sharing my experiences with first responders, and spreading my enthusiasm with customers around the country. And these days, with our YouTube channel, drones give me the opportunity to bring my passion to explore to the next scale, what was previously impossible to achieve from the ground. With the advent of drone shots, the world began to transform. A camera on the ground could only ever show a fraction of the scene, give a little bit of detail. But the drone dynamic gives context, a different scale, different movement, and helps to create an entirely new narrative. Drones allow us access to places that are inaccessible or even potentially dangerous, such as the Champion Mill here in Colorado, which is currently not accessible to the general public. Drones take us places that there's no other way of getting to, such as seeing the hanging flume in western Colorado. From the overlook, you can barely see any of it. But with a drone, we can get up close and personal, not only to the historical remnants, but to some newly recreated sections to see exactly how they were built. A bird's eye perspective allows us to see nature in action, such as the confluence here between the Dolores and San Miguel rivers, a view you just cannot see from the ground. Each video is more than just a collection of shots. For me, it's a memory etched in time, a story told from a unique perspective. The drone becomes my partner as a storyteller, writing a beautiful, moving chronicle of a life lived to its fullest, one breathtaking frame at a time. Seeing the earth from above is not just about gaining a new visual, it is about gaining a new understanding. It's a humbling experience, combining the grandeur and magnificence of our planet and its own fragility. A gift of the ability to see from the eagle's perspective. It helps us to understand that we are part of something immeasurably larger, a vibrant thread in the grand tapestry of life on Earth.